RV and bus parking. No overnight, please. So we won't be staying here tonight. We're just going. They're getting ice cream. We're going to the tour. Next ticket, next available tour is $320. There we go. It's the Cowmobile. This is what cows take on vacation. Let's see what's in the action station. Nothing. Wow, talk about political. Right.
Huh?
Up the hill to the Flavor Graveyard. Hey, there's the RV down there. Look at the solar panels, bud. All right.
I could find you.
Flavor Graveyard. Wow, honey, I'm home didn't live long, huh? Wanna go? Devil's food. One year. Creme brulee. Babe, you didn't bring flowers or nothing?
Yeah.
Not even a year for that one. Sweaty balls? Interesting.
I guess that's what it says.
Oh, because of Saturday Night Live. I wonder if there's a little pint of ice cream buried at each one.
Yeah.
Turtle soup. Wavy gravy. Fossil fuel. Do you remember this episode, babe, or no?
No.
You never watched it though, right? The original recipe book. Recipes on napkins. World's largest sundae. 27,000 pounds of ice cream. And we are heading up. You could do it, baby. You could do it. It's only 25 steps.
Coming. Yeehaw.
Okay guys, welcome to the Cow Ocean Theater. So I'm just going to show you a short 6.5 minute video about the history of our company. Then when that's over, I'll just come back and scoop you up and we'll be on our way. That's awesome. I've seen them probably 100 times and I still cry at the end. So the next place we're going to is the mezzanine, which overlooks our production floor. This is the one room we ask that you don't take any photos. We're not sure how many of you guys are spies from Haagen-Dazs. So you can just follow me.
No video, no film. Oh well. Yeah, I thought, right. Well, unfortunately, couldn't bring you any video from that room. But now we're going to the tasting room. Not bad for a $4 tour.
Alright, I got one more for you. Does anyone know why cows can't wear sandals? Well, it's because they lactose. Get it? Lactose? You're killing me. Alright, I promise I won't tell any more jokes. Actually, that's not true. Alright, keep coming on in, keep coming on in. This is a really cool room. This is the flavor room. This is a really cool room historically, because when our company was first founded, from the years 1986 to 1995, this is the actual room where Ben & Jerry would create and test new flavors that they would sell to people. So all your favorite flavors like fish food, cherry Garcia, chocolate chip cookie dough, they were created right here in this very spot, right? That's pretty amazing. Another cool thing about this room, right here behind me we have our flavor lab. This is where we try and test new flavors. Sometimes we hand them out as samples to tour groups. Cool flavor we make here that you can only get here at the Waterbury factory is Maple Walnut Crunch. I had some a few days ago. It was actually really good. You can't buy that in other stores, by the way. If you look to my right here, this is some of the new stuff we're working on. Here, can I just squeeze by you? So we have new flavors like Ode of the Swirled, Urban Bourbon, Truffle Kerfuffle, and a cool ice cream inspired by a cool musician, Bob Marley's One Love. We're also working on some non-dairy ice cream. This is ice cream that is based on almond milk and coconut oil instead of dairy things. And then also some of our pint slices, which what people do, we just take the ice cream out of the pints and we just slice the pints in half or in different segments, and we use that to sell to people. Alright, it looks like everyone is ready for some ice cream. Am I correct in reading the room that way?
Yes.
Ha ha ha. I can see it on your faces. So today we're having, looks like a pretty disgusting flavor. It's called broccoli cheddar chunk. It's broccoli ice cream with kidney bean chunks and a cheddar cheese swirl. I certainly wouldn't eat this, but it looks like you guys have to. It's got a lot of fiber in it. It's got a lot of protein, a lot of vegetables. Everyone loves that kind of stuff, right?
Bring it on.
Yeah.
Right?
I am kidding. I told you that wouldn't be my last joke. Today we're actually having milk and cookies, which is a fair trade certified vanilla ice cream with a chocolate cookie swirl, chocolate chip, and chocolate chip cookie pieces. A lot of chocolate. I actually would eat this ice cream as opposed to the other one. Before I get this out, I just want to mention if anyone has any allergy or dietary concerns, please just talk to me or any of the wonderful people at our scoop staff and we'll accommodate you. Alright, so if I could get some oohs and ahs as I take this out of the freezer. So if I could just ask that you take the sample that is closest to you. We don't want anyone's arm or sleeve getting in someone else's sample. Arm and sleeve flavored ice cream does not taste very good. You guys can go ahead. Also, if there are any kids in your way, feel free to push them out of the way. They didn't pay for their tickets. That's actually part of the reason for why Ben & Jerry's only serves in
I'll buy
pints,
that
not
when it
those
comes
big
out.
gallon sizes. Because if you've ever had
Thank you.
Oh, so the flavor graveyard is which you can see. I don't know if anyone has seen it yet. It's the one. It's what you can see where flavors we have discontinued. We discontinue these flavors either because no one is buying them or because the cost of the ingredients is getting too high.
Oh yeah. Take it. I'll even wear the white coat.
And they say they get a free membership to a gym. It's good to do these things because once we go south, we'll probably never. All right. That was a good tour. I liked it. Oh. Leave Matt behind.
Hurry! Hurry!
Huh? A little bit. Just dry it off. Here.
A little rain ain't gonna melt you.
My camera. I'm gonna grab my camera now.
Well, made it through without it raining today. Raining now. Right there is the Vacationer Holiday Rambler. Same one as this. Just a newer model, I think. Looks like the same size. Might be a little bigger. Yep. All right, now we're heading Centennial Field
400 feet, turn right.
to see the Lake Monsters play baseball. Got a couple hours before we have to actually be there.
North, 100 south, 3/4 of a mile.